Sir, Home Minister told the press after the blast that there was a lapse. What was the nature of this lapse?
Sir, the press asked me that whether it's intelligence failure. I told no. We have input that somebody will try to trigger a blast in the city. Then we have taken all the precautionary measure, but I come back again. We never ever expect that in that particular area. That's why lapse of preventing in that particular area, sir.
Okay. May I know from the Home Minister, following the IED blast in Lahkmen in certain areas, the police conducted a raid on the 13th of August in the residence of Mr. Chesterfield, Thangkiew. May I know from the Home Minister, is there any link to this IED blast?
Sir, after this blast, the government has the police department investigate, and the lead is that Chesterfield, Thangkiew, was involved in that blast. That's why the police have taken a precautionary measure. Moreover, sir, there is credible intelligence input that blasts will occur in the intervening date of 12 of August 2021 and 15th of August 2021. That's why the police have to act so that the necessary security and safety of the citizens of the state could be given, sir.